Even an entry-level smartphone costs between 3 and 4,500 rupees, making it unaffordable for feature phone users to upgrade to a smartphone. We simply cannot idly stand by when such a large proportion of our fellow citizens are unable to participate in the digital revolution sweeping the nation. This is the most critical problem in bridging the digital divide. And I had challenged our young engineers at Jio to find a disruptive Indian solution to this problem. What they came up with stunned me, and it will stun you. Today, Jio is going to reinvent the conventional feature phone with a revolutionary device, an unmatched Indian innovation made in India by young Indians for all Indians. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce India Ka intelligent smartphone presenting the Jio phone. May I now invite Isha, Akash, and Kiran on stage to give you a demo of some of the incredible features of the Jio phone.
Hello everyone. The Jio phone is an awesome innovation made in India by young Indians for all Indians. It is our great honor to introduce to you the Jio phone today on behalf of the entire team at Jio. The Jio phone may look familiar, and this is intentional. It is designed to be extremely easy and friendly to use. But that is where all the similarity ends.
Absolutely. We have disrupted everything about this phone. And what you are about to see is the most intelligent, affordable phone in the whole world.
The Jio phone is a 100% 4G LTE phone, and it has a unique and revolutionary user interface for a phone of this kind. It supports all of India's 22 major languages. Bhasha Anek, Bharat Ek.
While you can still use the keyboard, with the Jio phone, you can simply speak to the phone. And the Jio phone understands and acts on your voice command. Akash and Kiran are now going to use their handsets to walk us through this incredible phone.
Can we please mirror our phone screens on the presentation screen, please?
Thank you. We can see our screens. किरण शुरू करते हैं एक फोन कॉल से वॉइस कमांड पे कॉल किरण
Okay, looks like I have a missed call from Akash. Let me now try to reply to him with an SMS, again using the voice command. Message, Akash. Sorry, can't take your call, slightly busy right now.
Got it. Your voice command works flawlessly, Kiran.
Isn't this impressive? It works just like magic. Now let me show you how easy it is to browse the internet on the JioPhone. When is Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ganesh Chaturthi is on Friday, 20th August 2017.
Now with the JioPhone, all the information of the world, the internet, is available at your fingertips, or the tip of your tongue if you so prefer. And you can do that just by speaking.
We have already put all of Jio's top ranked applications on this phone. Apps like Jio Music, Jio Cinema, Jio TV are already preloaded. So let's have some music. How about something patriotic? Again, let me use voice command. Jio Music pe Vande Mataram sunao.
Yet another useful feature, we believe, is that the JioPhone is a potential lifesaver in times of distress. A JioPhone user can long press the number 5 button and the JioPhone will automatically send a distress message to your selected near and dear ones.
Okay, let me try that. I have added Akash as my emergency contact on my JioPhone. Let me now press the 5 button and see what happens. As you can see, it also sends your location, and this is an invaluable feature. And very soon, we will be integrating local police and other emergency services also with this feature.
We are blessed to be living in a country where we have a visionary and digital savvy leader, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. JioPhone fulfills his Digital India and Make in India vision. All of India can now stay in touch with his inspirational messages. Let me play the latest Man Ki Baat.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, नमस्कार। इस बार गर्मी की बहुत अधिक वर्षा ऋतु समय पर अपने नक्शे कदम पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। देश के कई भागों में झमाझम बारिश से मौसम सुहाना हो गया है।
We have shown you just a few of the capabilities of the JioPhone today. There are literally hundreds of features packed into this tiny little phone. But it's super powerful, and hundreds of more that are in development.
For example, later this year, we'll be introducing NFC technology to the JioPhone. All Indians can link their bank account, Jan Dhan account, UPI account, or any payment card to the JioPhone and make payments with a simple tap of their Jio phone. JioPhone hardware is ready for secure payments on day one, and this feature will automatically appear through a software upgrade on your phone.
Friends, young Jio engineers have spent tens of thousands of hours working hard to create the JioPhone. It's a labor of love in the service of India and Indians. Just get your hands on a JioPhone, and I promise you, your life will be transformed.
Thank you very much for allowing us the time to share the JioPhone with you.
And now, let us hand over and welcome back to the stage our beloved chairman.
Dear share owners, as you just saw, the JioPhone is a truly revolutionary phone that will transform the lives of 50 crore feature phone users in India. Now, let me announce the tariffs and the prices for JioPhone. First, on the JioPhone, voice will always be free. Second, the 50 crore feature phone users don't even have access to basic internet and applications. And I believe that today, every young Indian should have information access at his fingertips. And that is what the JioPhone enables. To enable a digital life, all need access to data at affordable rates. So starting 15th August this year, I am declaring digital freedom for all feature phone users. Jio will give them access to unlimited data on the JioPhone. If these feature phone users were to consume a similar quantity of data on any other operator's network, they would spend over 4,000 to 5,000 rupees a month at the prevailing 2G data rates. Let's do a quick recap of today's highlight. Number one, Jio redefined technology service adoption and became the fastest growing company in the world with more than 125 million customers. Number two, Jio revolutionized data consumption and made India the number one data consuming nation globally. 3, in terms of Jio's network rollout, Jio will ensure that India's 4G coverage will be more than its 2G coverage in the next 12 months. Number 4, Jio reinvented the conventional feature phone and launched a breakthrough device called the JioPhone that will unleash a digital life for all the feature phone users in India. And number 5, Jio once again disrupted market tariffs by making voice calls free for 50 crore feature phone users, introducing an unlimited data plan for JioPhone users at only rupees 153 per month, introducing an innovative JioPhone TV cable to help connect the JioPhone to any TV for watching your favorite content, and announcing affordable, all unlimited sachets at rupees 54 a week and 24 for 2 days. These are truly 5 path-breaking and revolutionary announcements from Jio. But that's not all. There is, always like the last AGM, one more thing. You may want to know how much the JioPhone will cost. Remember that even an entry-level 4G smartphone costs between 3 and 4,500 rupees. Today, I am delighted to announce that the JioPhone will be available to all Indians for an effective price of rupees 0. Yes, my friends, you have heard it right, for an effective price of rupees 0. The JioPhone is effectively free for Jio customers. We know that anything free can be potentially misused. To protect against misuse of the free Jio offer, we plan to collect a fully refundable one-time security deposit of rupees 1,500 with every JioPhone. A JioPhone user can use the JioPhone for 36 months and can get a full refund of the security deposit of 1,500 by returning the used JioPhone. Net, you pay nothing for the JioPhone. It is free. Dear share owners, all Indians, without exception, will not only be free from voice and SMS charges, but also from extortionist data charges. From the 15th of August 2017, they will have access to the highest quality, highest quantity, and the most affordable and unlimited data. This is how Jio will end the digital exclusion in India. And this is what I call digital freedom. Reliance dedicates the JioPhone to the nation on the joyous occasion of India at 70, our 70th anniversary of India's freedom, and offers it to over 50 crore data-deprived mobile feature phone users in India. Digital life will no longer be the privilege of the affluent few. This is the most powerful digital tool ever created in India to empower every Indian. Technological limitations and inefficiencies of some operators will no longer become an excuse to perpetuate digital deprivation to over 50 crore Indians. Reliance democratized the equity culture in the past. Now Jio will democratize the digital culture in India. Jio will be the greatest accelerator of the Bharat-India connectivity. Indians, even in remotest villages, will now have the same access to digital entertainment, digital learning, e-healthcare, e-banking, e-governance, and real-time information that is enjoyed by those in cities like Mumbai or Delhi. The launch of the Jio phone will fulfill the dream of our founder, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, and the Digital India vision of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Friends, so when will the Jio phone be available? The Jio phone will be available for user testing in beta this 15th August and for pre-booking from the 24th of August. And the Jio phone will be physically available to those who have pre-booked on a first-come, first-served basis from September this year. So I encourage all of you to pre-book a Jio phone as quickly as possible, starting the 24th of August. And from the last quarter of this year, all Jio phones will be made in India. We are targeting to have 5 million Jio phones available every week. Dear shareholders, I have always set impossible goals and targets for my colleagues at Jio, and they have unfailingly made the impossible possible. Today, I am mandating the Jio team to help a majority of feature phone users in India to migrate to the Jio phone. Jio phone will make the 2G feature phone obsolete. With this, I am sure Jio will set a new world record. Friends, creating fixed-line, high-speed broadband services is the next leap forward for our country. Jio remains well on track to bring world-class optic fiber connectivity to enterprises, small businesses, homes, and public places. Most of Jio's infrastructure for providing these services is already in place. This is the next big monetization opportunity for Jio. I will regularly apprise you of the progress we make in each of these areas. Friends, for Jio's spectacular success, I am ever grateful to all our trade and retail partners for their support and commitment. And most of all, Jio's success belongs to the tireless efforts of the over 100,000 people of Jio across India. Jio is a young organization, and Akash and Isha are directors at Jio, both 25, lead a large contingent of success-hungry and highly talented professionals. I want to publicly recognize and thank each and every one of our Jio employees and applaud their contribution to our company, our nations, and all Indians. Thank you. Friends, our motto at Jio is that while we are the best today, we will strive to be better tomorrow. Once again, I thank you for being a part of our growing Jio family. We are grateful for your trust, and we are obsessed 24/7 with providing you a superior customer experience and service experience. It is an honor for me to be a part of this amazing journey. I am confident that with Jio, on this 40th anniversary of Reliance, your life is digital and your life is beautiful. Today, as we celebrate our 40th anniversary, I am convinced that Dhirubhai Ambani, my father and our founder, is with us. It is It is his vision, Dhirubhai's vision and values that have guided us in this magnificent journey of Reliance. We all can feel his presence as we pay tribute to this great soul, this proud son of India, who redefined the destiny of our country and its people. As the Gita says, the soul has no birth or death, hence will never cease to be. Dhirubhai lives in our hearts for eternity. Let us welcome Dhirubhai again to this AGM, ladies and gentlemen.